Hi everybody, it's me Pat, the developer of ICECreatureControl, and I want to show you how to set up interactions for your creature. So I have already prepared here a small demo scene. It's a demo from our tutorials. Here we have our teddy, and the teddy currently only have the central settings. So we have a home location, with a random positioning range. It's a yellow circle here, If we decrease or increases, the random positioning range creates dynamic waypoints within the circle. So we have a creature behavior, travel, rendezvous, leisure, run, idle, and walk. And our motion control here is a navigation measure, so it's more easier for our creature to find the best ways through the labyrinth. The body orientation is biped, ground handling is raycast with a walkable surface as a layer, and water handling is default, overlap prevention is default, deadlock prevention is off, gravity handling is also default, all the rest is here default. So, and also the status, we using the basic status, and here we're using a ragdoll for the corpse. The mission is deactivated. Interactions is nothing defined currently. The environment it's deactivated, and behaviors we have only idle, walk, and run. So, and if I press play, we can see how our creature, how our teddy, it's follows the dynamic waypoints. So we can walking behind him, and you see he absolutely ignores us. We have no interaction. He going his way, and we can kill him, but he don't realize this. So no. Killed. So fine. And now we want to set our player as an interactor. So our teddy can interact with the player. For this, we click here on interaction. We add a new interactor, enable this interactor, pull it out, and select here the player as a target object. So now we open here the target selection criteria, and the first thing we have to do here is we have to adapt the priority. By default, the priority it's adjusted to 0, but this is the same priority as we have in our home location. And if two targets have the same priority and will be available, then the selection will be randomized, and this is what we don't want. Our players should have a higher priority than the home, so we set here the priority to 80, so we don't need this, and this is a selection range, so you can limit it the range in which your target will be active, but we don't need this, and we have here the selection angle, and this we don't also need here in this case. So, and we have to set up the behavior. So first we use a run behavior. So, and now we can store this. And if we press play now, you will see our creature will directly select our player and will hunt us, or will try to hunt us. So he directly starts, and if I run away, then he will follow me. You can see here he is all the time behind me. So, but if I'm stop, we see that he is running around us, and that's not really what we want. So he should also stop. And for this, please press stop. We can go here now. And for more versions, we have to define a second rule. In 1.3, you can activate the advanced settings, and then we have here a rendezvous behavior. And the rendezvous behavior, we set it here to idle, the rendezvous behavior will be active as soon as the creature is reaching the stopping distance of the target. So in the stopping distance we can find here. We enabled the target move specification. If it's disabled, he will automatically use the default stopping distance, is 2 units, and he will use the target transform position as a target move position. So, but now we want to adapt the stopping distance a little bit. We adjust it to 3 because in 2 meter distance the bear looks too large. Yeah, it's too close. So and we want to stop him at 3 meters, so that's a fine distance also for an attack. So, and what we also not need here is we don't want to set an offset. We want the last known position. So the last known position is the last known position. So this could be the target transform position if this position is known. Otherwise we will use the last known target transform position. So, and this is what we have now. So let's save this. Okay, and press play. And now we will see that our target, that our creature will stop if he reached the 3 meter distance. So he is running, and then he is stopping. But not really nice, because he stops directly at the transform position, or at the target move position. And this is not really nice, yeah, because now we are on the top of the teddy, and this we don't want. So now we can say, please teddy, stay outside of the stopping distance. So, and for this we use the ban option. The ban option will force the teddy to stay outside of this area here. And if we play no, we will have a better result. Oh, I have also to press play, sorry. Now come on. He stays outside, but if we zoom in now, we will see that he is not exactly at the border. He comes too far inside our stopping distance. Now we can move a little bit away, and we see he comes too close. That's not correct. So, but the problem now, it's not ICECreatureControl. The problem now that apply root motion is active. So we have to deactivate here the apply root motion, and if we try it now, we will see that the teddy stops directly at the border. So, okay, so far so good, but now we want that the teddy only detect us if he see us, if we are visible for the teddy. And for this we have these buttons here. This is the sensory buttons, but to use these buttons we have to go to the status and we have to use to activate Sensoria. So here we can define the field of view of our teddy, and if we scroll now here we see these arrows. These arrows define the field of view, so by default we can set the default value and the visual range. If this value visual range is adjusted to 0, it's infinite. So you will find us also if you're on the end of our terrain. So, and here we can use the visual sensor position. So the visual sensor position by default it's the eyes. So we can set it by hand. So this is an offset of the target transform position, or we can use an object from the transform hierarchy of our creature, and in this case I prepared here also already the eyes. So we can select it. That's a game object here in the head as a child of a head of our teddy. So back here and apply, although we can go back here directly. So now Sensoria is active, and now we can activate here the field of view. So our player must be in the field of view, and our player must be visible. And what we can do also, it's you have to be audible, hearable for our creature. So that's fine. Now we can save it and press play. So if I'm running now, inside the labyrinth and waiting, we see we are no longer active. So and in addition to this, I can do now the advanced mode, and here I say first or, then I want a target, so if the target distance, where we have it, target distance. So that's the target distance to the transform position, and if this transform position is smaller than 5 meters, yeah, then he can also activate as select the player. So okay, and what I want to do is, yeah, deselect this all. If we have if the system key input is, we say H, yeah, so hello, then we are also available, so you can select us. So we'll play this. No. So, and if I press play now, you can see really good. What's happened. He is running to us, stopping. Now we escape. But you see, it's green. Now he loosed us. He can't see us anymore. But now we're pressing the button H. Oh, sorry. I do a mistake here. I have to do this, or this have an OR combination. Have to be an OR combination. Yes. So again, so so he can't see and hear us, but if I press the H button now, you see, as long as I press the button, the conditions will be green. And if I press the button a little bit longer, we can waiting that I'm scrolling here out, and then we can see, oh, he was close to us. So I go back here. Now you can see here. So, and as soon as I left the button, he goes back. Press the button again. All conditions will be true, and oh yes, of course, here, hello bear. So fine. So what we could do now is, if we lose the connection, if he can't see us because we are hidden behind a building or something like this, he will directly deselect the player. But this is not really realistic, because if I see where a target goes, I can follow him also if I can't see him. And for this we can use the retaining time, this RT button, and the retaining timer makes sure that our creature will hold this target also if all conditions will be false. And he will hold this for at least 5 seconds now. So you can see us. Yes, I'm running inside the labyrinth. And he will hold. You have seen. So, and now I press the H button to show you what's happened. I press the H button, and now the timer, he will hold. I press it again, and he will hold this player for a further 5 seconds. And now you can see me, and it's already selected. The player is already selected. So I'm running back here. Okay. So now I'm doing something like this. I think it's more better to see what I mean. You can see me, it's green, he's behind me. And now he lost me, he lost the target, he lost the player. I press the H button, and you will see he will coming directly. That is he. Okay. Now we have me. Fine. Okay. So, and what we could do now is, because I have set here the last known position. So if I change my position, if the creature have not selected me, or the player, then the last known position will not be updated. As the last known position will by default will only be updated if the creature is visible, it's hearable, or is within the field of view. But if this is not given, the last known position will not be updated. So, and for this, if I press the system input key to call a creature, it's helpful if I press here the U button. In this case, this will update the last known position if the system input key is H. Yeah, if this condition is valid, he will update the last known position. So the creature will not running to a wrong position. He will have the correct position. Yeah, so and if we do it now, so the creature have to attack me. I'm running away. Running away. He hold me, but he don't know the correct position now. So now recover me here. So, and if we go back here, he does not know exactly where I am. So, but if I press no, the H button, it will be available. It's running, and now we have automatically my last position. And now you can see me again. Okay, so far, thanks for watching this video, and I hope this was a little bit interesting for you. Thanks a lot, and bye.